So everything is almost out. I will start to attach the crane and the 2 points where I mount the engine to the crane. Then I only need to get my hood off and then we can get the engine out. Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today is a rather sad day because today I will start removing the 16 valve engine out of my mk1 Golf, and we will put back the original, or kind of original 1.3, because I'm done with this car. It will be for sale soon, and then therefore I will remove the engine for that. So let's get started and get everything finished, so the Golf can be sold. So guys, yesterday I got the engine out, as you can see, and today we will start with putting the old engine back in the car. It's already on the crane, but I still need to add the gearbox on the engine, put it on. I will clean the engine bay for a bit, need to do some electrical work, so the old wiring loom needs to go back in, and the brake servo also needs to come out again. So let's get started. So everyone, I just got the engine on the crane and above the engine bay. So let's have a look. So the engine is wrecking balling above my engine bay. I repainted the gearbox. I installed the old mounts, this mount, and I changed my brake booster to the old one. Now it's just a matter of getting this thing in the engine bay, but that shouldn't be that big of a problem. My girlfriend is gonna help me, so that should be good. She has some experience with this, and it will all come to a good end. I think I'm gonna time lapse the install, but that I have to see. Even kijken. Daar kan je het toch wel voor sturen. Of die dingen hebben. Bonus. Dan kan je nog een keer, hè? Vast tegen. Hier.
Maar je snapt niet waar het in moet.
Ja, dan moet je direct hierin zakken. Dan is het weer vast. Zo. De steun van heel direct. Ja, dan pak je steun eens. En die twee houten pakken. Dan kan er wel in.
Die wordt ook zo nog wel. Eerst de zakken.
Moet je nog wel laten zakken?
Eerst de
Die moet gewoon zakken, die nog gaat zakken.
moet laten zakken, dan weet je dat komt niet bloed uit.
Ik zal even zakken. Dan ik zal een beetje kijken hoe. En maar in. Ja, die heeft dan die moeder op.
Dus hier ook in, hè? Hier wil je die gewoon.
Ja, dat moet je, hè? Dat is een bal.
En die moet je gewoon nog.
Hier is één, dit is vast.
Ja.
Dus dan zal ik even pakken.
Dan doet het straf.
Ja. Nee, anders kan het niet.
Moet pakken.
Zo, hè?
Zo, hè.
Ja, zo, ja. En even een keer vastzetten en het volgende is, hè?
Wauw.
Zo, zal ik nog wel wat zakken, hè?
Moeten jullie wassen?
Ja, maar dat kan ook nog op blijven, toch niet? Die kijk pakken. Pak nooit zo naar voren, dan moet je de pomp ook. Pomp en dan wel omhoog.
Omhoog pompen.
Ja. Oh, dat was goed. Omhoog, hè. So guys and girls, the engine is in. My girlfriend did a lovely job by guiding it in. If you want to do this yourself, what I did is as you can see in the time lapse, I first disconnected that engine mount or the gearbox mount, so I have some more place to get everything in. Then I lowered the engine down. I took my jack to support it on the back side, where there's also an engine mount on that side. I supported it, so the engine did not fall over if I used this engine mount to support everything. So then I got this one in place, I attached that one, got that one in place, then I supported all the weight on the crane again to then get the jack underneath it and use a 17 and a 19mm socket to attach the bottom engine mount. And then we did the front one, then everything got disconnected from the engine crane, and now she's in. The show cable is already attached, speedo is already attached. So tomorrow it's electrical things and my throttle cable, and of course fuel side. We also need to do that one, and I think that's it. Then she should start eventually. Empty, so some new engine oil and gearbox oil I need to check as well, but those are small things that I will not forget. So welcome to the third day in this process to put back the old engine into my Golf. First we need to disconnect these ones. I believe this one need to be here. This one needs to be here. That's the line that comes from the tank, and then this one needs to go here in the back, like that. Then we need to connect the coolant system to the radiator or to the heater in the Golf itself. Then we need to add a wiring loom here and connect everything. I also need to add my coil back on this tray. Then the radiator here, the exhaust we still need to add, and as you can see are the drive shafts also disconnected, and yeah, the one right there also, and we also need to do the shifter mechanism. So everything is buttoned up, only the battery needs to be connected and the exhaust pipe, but therefore I still need to seal, so I need to wait until that arrives. But for the rest everything is almost done. Electrical wires I still need to check some, but most are correct or should be correct. And then the coolant is almost filled off, but if I crank over the engine it will get some more. Then the oil still need to be filled, but today is a holiday, so I can't go to a store to do that. And for the rest, I think that's it. The drive shafts are connected, the selector mechanism, the shift mechanism is done. So almost complete and ready to start. So guys, this was the last video of the Golf. Hopefully I will see you in one of my next videos where we're going to work on some other cars. Thank you very much and have a nice day.